4:36 p.m. and update po. They are they are already done uh, installing the fascia board all around the house. Waiting for the gutter, the roof. Ayan po. We really need to put gravel and sand here po, because when it rains, this is what our uh, our side of the house on highway side po. This is what it look like. It looks like po. Fascia board. Tatapang naman ng mga canine na to. So very brave, ha? Don't know me? Hmm? Ayusin mo, tiger. Oh? What's up? Spot! I'll back up a little bit so you can see the top. Yan po. I think tomorrow they will put they will make slab po on the bedroom number 3 CR on top, and also on the powder room behind the kitchen. They're gonna fabricate uh, the floor for the attic, and also Jay is done with the checking all the tubular if they are fully welded. And let's go inside. Yeah, we're at the foyer already, done plastering also here po. I think they will wait for the instruction what about here, because I think the ate will put cladding here. Ayan po. I'm here at the living area po. That part is already plastered all the way throughout the end. Ayan po. And also the back terrace po. Uh, all done plastering. This one is the part of the outside na po. And also this one, all plastered already. Ayan po. And the division po on top, it's already sealed. The part on the other side is bedroom number 3, and this one is the other attic po, attic number 2. That one on the other side is attic number 3. Po. It's all sealed. Also this one, the stairs will be here po, going down, the pull down stairs. Tomorrow I think they will the flooring po, they will fabricate to pour the cement, so it will become a cement floor. Yan. It's all close. Let's go here at master bedroom 4. Yan po. All are sealed. This one will be plastered also, the top one, all the way through there. There's still a lot pa pala to be plastered. Ayan po. And also the delivery of cement po arrived earlier. Here. This is just 150. The other 100 po is tomorrow. Ayan po. Back area. Babush!